Guys, I think I just installed the wrong people's playground. Because I put him.
El detective Palomín.
Shut up. His legs get broken very easy. So. And I can't control him while he's in slow motion. Then he just died in the next snap. Oh, let's see the robot. Hey, he actually survived. Hopefully he will. Never mind. Can he survive? Goku. Hey. Dang, you're super weak. Boom, 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 boom. Bro's scared. Bro so smashed him. Oh my god. Wait, he's still alive? No, his head's only alive. What robot? Where's his robot? Let's see if they are weak. Boom. Hiya. I think they're trying to hit each other. Yeah, that was a dumb question. Did he just snap his neck? I guess that's one way to kill a robot. Well, anyways, who's gonna defeat this man? I swear, if I see a weak person, you're facing the wrong way. Oh well. Wait. I'm trying to grab the hand. Well, let me get the hand. Boom. Now look at this masterpiece. Oh, he just did a slide at the end though. I think I might have installed the better version. Oh. Anyways. Die. Are you even up? Yeah, he's dead. I can tell by his neck. That was a wrap. And let's not continue the wrap. Because I'm focused. Because I don't want to get another ad. I was facing the wrong way. So this time I won't. Oh! I'll hit you in your head. Boom! Ow, ow, ow. Please. Ouch. I did not even do anything. Ah! I think he like ran out of battery or something. Because he just died out of nowhere. What the hell? Ew. Of course it's one of these ads. You. Dang, you are so. Damn. Weak. Like. Yeah. Why is he getting thrown away? Never mind. How about this? Will this defeat him? Oh wait, it looks like it's doing something. Wow, he died. Wait, he actually died. Damn, he just twisted his neck. Oh, let's see it for a person. He's not gonna survive, is he? Dang. Let's put a person to fight. A person. Fine. Right. Oh man. Ha, you bleeding and I'm bleeding. But the shirt dies because he twisted his neck. Hey, I'm alive. Not anymore. Well, I'm still alive. Maybe not anymore. Oh, let's see who will survive the height. If they fall from height. Oh. Did he survive? Clearly no, because he died slowly. Let's see if Goku will survive. Let's see him. Let's see it. Oh. Now let's. Ooh. He doesn't look very good. Oh wait, he's actually better than ever. Just don't let. Oh, it's bleeding. Look at his foot. It's bleeding. I don't know how he's still alive though. Great that he didn't even hit his head though. Cause if he hit his head or torso, he would be cooked. Anyways, get up. Yeah, he's arrived. Let's see the other one. Oh, let's see the gel cat. I mean, yeah, that game kinda made me interested because I played that game before. Oh wait, you're right, because your foot came in handy. Are you gonna kill that thing? Never mind, you're the one who got killed. Let's see Robot. I bet he won't win this battle. He's probably gonna end up like, yeah, I don't know, like Gihun and Phil. But I think Gihun's still alive though. Dang! Wait, let me see. I'm gonna make him higher than anyone I put. Where's the sky? No, let's just go. One. Wait for me! Wait for me, yeah. I keep pausing because I don't know where the heck is he after he falls. Let's see stats. He's already kind of losing some energy, but hopefully it doesn't. Right. Good. Anyways. Dang, where are you? Oh, okay, so let's see. Ooh. Dang, how have you survived that? Is this an endless like height? But I'm gonna put him like somewhere bigger. You know what? That will do. It's time for your execution or whatever. Because I've seen you're very strong and you're very fast. That I have to pause the time when you're falling. Wow. And 3, 2, 1, let's go. When he passes the screen, I'm gonna pause it. Oh god, it's very fast. Wait. Wait. He's probably gonna catch up. Okay, let's see where he is now. Anyway, let's go to the ground right now. Oh my god! I disabled slow motion for 1 second and he already went down so fast. You know what? This. Wow, I bet he already hit his leg. Damn. Bro doesn't know he's still in the air. Oh no, not the head! Oh. Boom. I still think I installed the wrong version though.